Today, I will show you how you can make some serious cash using nothing but your smartphone. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start hustling, let's dive into the top 7 ways to make money using your smartphone. Yes, I'm going to share with you how you can build wealth with $0 the easy way. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host Miriam, and today we are diving into something a lot of you have been asking for: how to start building wealth with absolutely $0. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. I'm going to walk you through easy, realistic ways to grow your wealth starting from the scratch. So let's jump right in. So first thing you need to know is to have a mindset shift. Wealth starts from habits. Yes. The first step to building wealth, even with $0, is to change your mindset. Many people think that you need money to make money, but the truth is, wealth is built through habits. Focusing on financial literacy, discipline, and creating income streams can help you break out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle. You can start by learning about budgeting, saving, and investing. There is a wealth of free knowledge out there, like blogs, like podcasts, YouTube videos like this one that will help you understand the basics of money management. So besties, the next thing here is to monetize your skills or your time. Yes, you can turn what you have into cash. Guys, do you know that you can start generating income and you don't need upfront cash to do that? Look at what skills or time that you can offer today, whether it's tutoring, virtual assistance, writing, or even simple services like dog walking, babysitting. There are platforms like Fiverr, TaskRabbit, and Upwork that can help you start earning money immediately. Even if you don't have a hard skill yet, you can offer your time for tasks that other people are willing to pay for. Everyone has something they can offer. Now, the next thing is to build multiple income streams. Yes. Guys, once you start making some money, the key is to build multiple income streams. It is easier than ever in today's digital world to diversify your earnings. Consider starting a YouTube channel like this one, writing a blog, or investing your time into creating digital products that can sell over and over, like ebooks or print-on-demand items. Even a few dollars from different sources can add up real quick. Focus on creating streams of income that don't require constant efforts. Yes, this is how you scale without working 24/7. Now guys, you can also use free resources to grow. Yes, you can leverage free resources for growth. There are lots of platforms and tools, and you don't need money to start growing your skills or invest in yourself. You can leverage on free resources like YouTube, of course, like Khan Academy, like Coursera, or some other platforms that offer free courses to learn about high demand skills like coding, digital marketing, or even content creation. The more skills you gain, the more valuable you become, and the better you can monetize your time or create long-term business ventures. The next thing here to do is to start networking. Yes, you have to start building relationships. See, in case no one has told you, networking is one of the most powerful tools to build wealth, and it is free. You can start connecting with like-minded people on LinkedIn, on Twitter, or other social media platforms. You can join Facebook groups, attend free events, or reach out to mentors. The right relationships can open doors to opportunities, collaborations, and mentorship that can help you accelerate your wealth building journey. You can also reinforce with consistent habits. Yes, building wealth doesn't happen overnight. It's about consistency. Every day, focus on taking small steps, saving even a few dollars, learning something new, or putting in the work on your side hustle. Now, track your progress and set small, achievable goals. Over time, these small actions will snowball into significant financial growth. And the next thing here is to invest in yourself. Guys, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a new business or a side business, or even taking care of your physical and mental health, everything you do to improve yourself will help to build the foundation for long-term wealth. Your ability to create wealth is directly tied to your personal growth. Always be learning, always be improving, and always be leveling up. Focus on long-term wealth, not quick money. Yes, think long-term. Build wealth, not quick cash. because it's easy to get caught up in the idea of quick money, but the real goal should be building wealth over time. Use the income that you make from your hustle to invest in your future. So whether it's through starting a business, investing in the stock market, or building a portfolio of passive income sources. Now guys, focus on sustainable growth instead of quick wins. Building wealth is a marathon, it is not a sprint. So there you have it. This is the proof that you don't need money to start building wealth today. Whether it's leveraging your skills, creating income streams, or even investing in yourself, you can start right now with even $0 in your bank account. If you have found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more wealth building tips, and let me know in the comments what your first step will be. Guys, we have come to the sweet part of today's video. I'm doing a giveaway. Yes, I'll be giving away $100 cash gifts. So all you need to do to win my $100 cash gifts is by joining my Telegram community. Yes, we have launched our Telegram community. All you need to do is go ahead and join my Telegram community and invite 50 of your friends into my Telegram community. Yes, it's simple. It's simpler than you think. Yes, so if you're watching my video, translates to one way to also make $100 in one day. So go ahead and add 50 people into my Telegram community. What you can do is you can add 500 people, yes, or 1,000 people into my Telegram community. At least 50 of them would join. 5% of 1,000 is 50, 10% of 500 is 50. So you can add 500 people or 1,000 people and tell them what to expect from joining my own Telegram community. And of course, that is it, guys. It's as simple as ABC. Once you are sure that you have a minimum of 50 people that have joined my Telegram community, come back to today's video, come back to the comments and let me know in the comments how many people you were able to add into my Telegram community. And of course, you're on your way to getting this money. I'm gonna send it to you through PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, or Zelle, or even Western Union money transfer. So this money is going anywhere in the world. So yes, go ahead and start adding your friends so that I can send you these cash gifts right away. So besties, that is it for today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. If you want me to do a research tailored to your specification, by all means, please let me know in the comments. I'm working for you guys day and night, guys. Last night I slept at 3 a.m. Yes, 3 a.m. last night, researching and trying to make sure that I give you guys back-to-back latest ways to actually start making money from the comfort of your home. If this video has helped you, you know how we do it. By all means, please go ahead and like today's video, subscribe to my channel for more money making tips, and yes, introduce yourselves in the comments. I would really like to know you and me too. Where in the world are you watching from? How did you find my video? What do you do for a living? You know, I'd like to know for real, what is your name? And while you're introducing yourself, let me also introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I live here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, it's all about how to make money. Okay? Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So besties, start cashing out. I am here rooting for you. And if by chance you're able to, win with all of the strategies I've been sharing here on my channel, please let's encourage other people. Now come back to these comments and say, Miriam, this tip has helped me to make $100 today, or it has helped me to make $500 or $1,000, as the case may be. So guys, that is what I'm talking about. It's all about winning for you guys. Your win is my win. I just want to see you guys win, and that is why we're here, and that's on a period. So besties, I will see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I'm so proud of you. Take care guys, and bye for now. Love you. Bye guys.